Hello guys, welcome to Pedia. In this video, we'll be seeing how to install VirtualBox along with Ubuntu into our systems. So let's go ahead and get started. So to install VirtualBox, just enter VirtualBox and just keep a note that VirtualBox is a product of Oracle. So VirtualBox in downloads, you can directly select the link or select the host, that is the underlined OS on which you are working. For me it's Windows, so I will directly click on Windows and my setup start getting downloaded. Just click on save. For now I will not download it because I have already downloaded it, so cancel. And after downloading your setup, just go to the path and just open your setup file. And guys, I will even be including the link for downloading the setup of VirtualBox in the description section below, so you can directly go ahead and download the setup from there itself. Now after opening this dialog box, click on next, then click on next, yes, and then start your installation process. Just wait for some time till it get installed into your system. It will take about a minute or two only. So yes, now your VirtualBox is installed into your system. So after installing the VirtualBox into your system, just go ahead and open it. Now click on new. Here you have to specify the folder name. I will specify it as Ubuntu 18 as it's 18. I have already installed Ubuntu 16 into my VirtualBox, so it's 18 now. Just keep other settings as it is. Click on next. I will recommend to give the system 2048, that is 2 GB of RAM. Then again click on create, next. Again, if you want to increase the size, the space you want to give to your Ubuntu system, then you can go ahead and increase it, else I will keep the same. Create. 10 GB is sufficient for me. And now the folder is created. Now you can directly click on start or directly double click here. I'll click on start. Just wait for a second. Now this dialog box appears where it is asking you to give it the path where your Ubuntu ISO file is kept. So if you have not downloaded it, I will show you how to go ahead and download. So just go ahead to Google. In Google, just type download, sorry, my fault, download Ubuntu. Okay. Then click on the first link appearing. And here you have to download Ubuntu 18.04.1. This is the latest one, and LTS means long-term support. You will get the updates and all the patches. So I recommend download the LTS version. Click on download, and then your download will start within some seconds. Yes, it's done. I have already, as you can see, I have already downloaded it, so I will not click on save. You can go ahead and click on save. Okay, after downloading after downloading the ISO file of Ubuntu, just go ahead and give the path where your ISO image file, that is ISO is the image file of Ubuntu exists. So I will directly click on this and I will click on start. So now it will take some time to get installed. For some of you guys, if you have bought a new system and you have not made any changes from the BIOS, it will show that you have to start your hardware acceleration. If it is so, then you have to go to your BIOS setting and activate and enable the virtualization mode, so you can get the videos from the YouTube, or even you can find how to do it from the Google itself. For me, it's I've done it earlier, so it's just working smoothly. Now just wait by till the Ubuntu gets loaded. Fine. After getting this dialog box, just click on install Ubuntu. Just let it remain as it is. Click on continue. Okay, so normal. And if you want to download the updates while installing the Ubuntu, you can directly let it remain the same, or else you can click on you can untick it. So I will let it remain the same, then continue, and then yeah, again the same, erase the disk and install Ubuntu, and I will click on install now, and then again click on continue. So now you have to select your region, that is you will click on India and then click on continue. Just for the time, you have to enter a name for your Ubuntu system, so I will enter CS Pedia. Okay, password, yeah, I recommend you to keep a simple password here, so it's like I will keep 1234, I'm sorry, 1234, 1234. Okay, now continue. Now it will take around 5 to 10 minutes for Ubuntu to get installed, so just wait and watch. So yes, now your Ubuntu is installed into your system. Now just click on restart and your system will boot again. If please remove the installation medium, then press enter. Just press enter, and it will start again. Now your Ubuntu will get booted. Yes, so your Ubuntu is now booted. Just enter the password, then sign in. And yes, Ubuntu is now installed into our systems properly, and you can just click on next, next, and I will not send any system info. Next, done. And now Ubuntu is properly installed. Firstly, if you are thinking how I have enlarged the screen of Ubuntu, just go to devices and here click on insert additional CD image and everything will be done for you. So in this video we learned how to install VirtualBox along with Ubuntu into our system. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please like our video, subscribe to CSpedia, and please enter a comment that will encourage us to make more videos. And then thank you. Have a good day. Crack it.